Once the house is constituted, it is a legally constituted committee of the house. And secondly, today is a preliminary meeting. So I have come, despite not being well, I have come because I think it's very important for Goa. That's why I felt I can't skip it. And I come to, first we want to assess what is really the groundwork which has been done. We will look at the parameters which has so far, which has been laid out in the courts before, what is before the Supreme Court. And I also want to see what the legal thing which has been done so far. So I think that we will look at it positively. Let us see how we can give a helping hand to the government, because as I said before, this is not a fight between you and me or anyone. It is a fight for survival of Goa. And I think we will put our efforts together. If there is some shortfall, I will tell them. If there is something which they need to do better, I will tell them. If they have done sufficient work, I will compliment them. But I will not mislead for the sake of saying or just for getting some clapping. I don't want it. I want that we should win. And Goa will stand on a strong footing if we are all together.
Any suggestion from your side?
Until I know first what is there, I can't give a suggestion. Right? I have many thoughts in my mind. I have many queries in my mind. But once I see what is out.
So you also as a former AG of Goa. So from that aspect, any from court side, any need to improvement in there?
No, that I will. That's why I said. एक पाटी ते पेपर पडोयले, मागीर मुझे सांगो जाता शॉर्टफॉल कितें डिफिशियन्सी, कितें गायना जाल्यार कितको घालपा जाय. सगळें मुझे कितको मांडून पाटी घालपाक कितको मुझे हेल्प करूं जाता.
तर फाल्यां टायम तुम्ही उबे रावूंक शकता कोर्टान बाय वाटेन.
I can't represent the state because then I'll be in employment and I'll be disqualified as an MLA. Order pass करतात कोण डायरेक्टर कोण आसा तुका पुश करपाक ऑर्डर पास करता. But this is a double-edged sword. You have passed an order without hearing someone. Even a criminal is heard before he is convicted. Even before he is sentenced, he is heard. So I think minimum what the court has said, principles of natural justice. To notice Yupa Zai, hearing Yupa Zai. So I think this was not done. I think that director tried to give a half-baked satisfaction to the people who filed a complaint and the activists. तुमचे काम झाले मग, but at the same time giving a loophole to get it satisfied.
So हे लोकांक भितर आय वॉश करपा खातीर
I think it's an eye wash. Do you mean to say a person on the rank of a level of such a high position would not know that minimum principle natural justice करू नये म्हणून? Was it not a waste of judicial time? Was it not a waste of court time also in the High Court? The Brahman has to run to the High Court and get it quashed. And it will be set aside on one thing, not her.
Purposely केला त्याला benefit जावचें.
I can't say purposely, but I would look at it that way. I would suspect it to be. I can't see. Anyway, the matter would have to go back. And the matter would have to be heard by giving notice. Just because it is quashed, things of law, it will go back and it will have to be heard.
सो आता जेन्ना नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर काडटली आसा किंवा
I
डायरेक्टर
can't tell you
पंचायत
what will be the order, but I can tell you that he has to hear and pass it.